Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Sunday, January 8th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day and an awesome weekend. I just wanted to start doing some product reviews here because I've been using the LiveGood product since December 28th of 2022 when my package arrived. I actually started out by ordering the Maximum Energy Pack, which includes the organic coffee, the essential aminos, the super reds, and the super greens, okay? So today's review is going to be about the organic coffee. And you can see here, support a healthy mood, focus and mental clarity, weight loss, functional mushrooms, and tastes amazing. And just before I start out, I am going to say that all the disclaimers are down in the description box, and I'm just going to read this. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. You know all of that stuff, okay? But here it is right here, the organic coffee. And I've been drinking this every morning since December 28th. Honestly, I haven't drank coffee in years before this. When I stopped smoking cigarettes is basically when I stopped drinking coffee, and that's been a long, long time ago, back when I was in my 20s. So it's been a long time. But I wanted to try this because it has all the cool mushrooms in it and everything, and I've absolutely loved it. It does really taste great. I will tell you that I am down almost 7 pounds. All right, and I'm going to put together a video showing you all that, but I thought that instead of doing it every week, I'm going to do an end of the month video. I've been tracking my results here, so I got the results from week 1 of January, and then I'll do it for the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th week, and then I'll compile all that and put together a video so you can see that what I'm telling you is true, okay? But I am down almost 7 pounds. And, of course, I do exercise. I have been exercising this new year. I rebound on the trampoline. So I have a little rebounder, and I jump on that every morning for about 30 minutes. And I eat a plant-based diet, okay? I'm a vegan. I have been for about 4 years now. And I try to watch what I eat. So, but with that being said, doing all those things for the last 4 years or so and adding these LiveGood products to my diet, I am down almost 7 pounds. So it's pretty cool. But anyway, I thought I'd go over this organic coffee really quick just to let you know my thoughts on it and what it's all about, okay? So as you can see here, it's delicious organic coffee for healthy weight management, fiber for weight management, maca for mental clarity, and green tea for brain function. Now, this is, it's enriched with healthy mushrooms. It is USDA certified organic, and the description says, well, actually, I'm going to show you what's in it first. This is a month's supply of coffee, and it has 10 calories per serving, 2 grams of carbs, 2 grams of dietary fiber. Then the LiveGood proprietary organic coffee blend is 3.3 grams, and that contains organic spray-dried coffee, organic acacia fiber, Peak O2 organic proprietary mushroom blend, and this has the cordyceps, the reishi, the king trumpet, the shiitake, the lion's mane, and turkey tail mushrooms, cultured on organic whole oats. It has organic maca powder, organic guar gum, organic caffeine from coffee, and organic green tea. All right, there's the other ingredients are organic flavors, and the caffeine content is 100 milligrams. So it says healthy organic weight management coffee with mushrooms. Yes, this is very likely the longest name for a coffee you've ever seen, but the truth is, with all the amazing benefits and ingredients we've packed into this blend, we could have added even more words like adaptogens, green tea, healthy fiber, maca, and especially delicious. Not only does LiveGood organic coffee combine the highest quality ingredients from the cleanest, most pure and lush places on the planet, it is the first and only coffee enhanced with healthy fiber to reduce hunger, formulated with maca to help support learning and memory while improving mood, plus green tea to promote healthy brain function and stimulate fat burning, and adaptogens in the form of 6 of the world's most powerful mushrooms to ease stress, support a healthy body, and help you feel great. No coffee on the planet provides as many benefits as LiveGood healthy organic weight management coffee with mushrooms. From the first time you taste our delicious blend and experience the amazing results, you may never want to drink another coffee ever again. And like I said, folks, I haven't drank coffee in a long, long time. And when I ordered the energy pack and this came with it, I said, I'm fully committed to LiveGood for a whole year. And after this year, I'm going to see where everything goes. And I can already tell I'm going to promote it long after this year. But I'm definitely 100% committed to just promoting LiveGood and using these products for 2023, okay? So when this came in and this was part of the energy pack, I said I'm just going to take it and try it. And sure enough, to be honest with you, I didn't think I was going to like it, okay? I've had the instant coffee before where you add hot water and it just tastes nasty. But this, what I do is I put a scoop of this in my coffee cup, and then I take boiling water. I use distilled water, okay? And if you don't have distilled water, spring water is fine, but I avoid tap water because of all the chemicals they put in it. And I just boil that and add it to this, and I stir it up, and I drink it. It tastes great. All right, so I like the product a lot. And you can see down here that the organic weight loss coffee from LiveGood is $17.95 for a month supply. All right, so let's do the math on this really quick. I'm going to pull up my calculator here. We're going to do $17.95, and we're going to divide that by 30 servings. You're paying 60 cents a serving, okay? For something that's healthy, it's organic, it's full of benefits, you know, and just top-notch products or top-notch ingredients in here. So for 60 cents a day, you can have an organic cup of coffee with amazing benefits, and it beats the $4, $5, $6 coffees you get elsewhere, and helps save a lot of money. So for $17.95, you can get a 30-day supply if you're a member of LiveGood. All right, and now here are two other comparisons here. The 4 Sigmatic mushroom coffee. This is instant coffee mix with lion's mane and chaga mushrooms. It's $40.50. And that says 10 packets. All right, so I'm assuming that unless each packet is good for 3 drinks, this looks like it might be just a 10-day supply. All right, I'm not 100% sure on that. And then we have the Rise mushroom coffee, and that's $35. And I don't know if this is a month supply or not, but either way, you can see that you could save up to 55% buying our coffee compared to these two, right? And if you're not a member of LiveGood, you can purchase this for $28.95 for a month supply, which is still cheaper than the competitors, okay? So it's just a really good product. I love everything about it, and I think you should try it. If you're into coffee, you're looking to lose weight. Now, of course, I can't guarantee you're going to lose weight. I'm just telling you my personal results. And like I said, I will put together a video at the end of this month, and I'll show you my results that I'm having with this. But I am loaded with energy. I feel great, and yeah, I'm super excited about all this. All right, so if you're interested in learning more about the coffee or you want to try some yourself, I'm going to put 2 links down below. One is for the business opportunity side of it, which will take you to a page that looks just like this. All right, and you can watch this video. You can put your first, last name, email, reserve your position if you're interested in earning money with this company, LiveGood. And then if you just want to buy the coffee, I'll put a link down for that as well, where it'll take you. And you can be a member without being an affiliate, okay? It's $9.95 a month, and you get these membership prices, okay? So anyway, if you have any questions about this, leave them down in the comments section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch this, all right? If you find value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate it very much, and it helps me out a great deal. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.